The aviation world is on the brink of a major change. Airplanes have been powered by jet fuel, but now a new wave of technology is taking off: electric planes. These aircraft promise to change the way we think about air travel, making it cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable. Today, we're diving into how electric planes work, where they stand right now, and what the future could look like for this exciting technology. Electric planes are exactly what they sound like: planes powered by electricity instead of traditional jet fuel. Instead of burning fuel to create thrust, these planes use electric motors, which are a lot simpler and much more efficient. Right now, electric planes are mostly used for short regional flights or training, but they're evolving fast, and in the future they might be able to handle longer commercial flights. Unlike a traditional jet engine, which burns fuel and has a lot of moving parts, electric planes rely on electric motors powered by batteries. These motors are much quieter and more efficient. The batteries, often lithium-ion for now, store the electricity that powers the motor. It's pretty simple. The motor turns the propellers or rotors, which push the plane through the air. One of the biggest advantages of electric motors is that they're way more efficient than jet engines. They convert more of the energy into actual thrust, so you waste less power. Plus, they're much quieter, which is a huge deal, especially for cities or areas where noise pollution is a problem. Right now, there are a few electric planes that are already flying or in development. For example, Alice, made by Aviation Aircraft, is a fully electric commuter plane designed to carry passengers on regional flights. It can go about 440 nautical miles on a single charge, and it's already had successful test flights. It's not just a concept anymore, it's real, and it's on its way to commercial service. Then there's the eFan X from Airbus. This is a hybrid electric plane, which means it combines an electric motor with a conventional jet engine. While it's more of an experimental project, it's one of the first steps in proving that hybrid electric technology could work for bigger planes in the future. Also, the Pipistrel Alpha Electro, a small two-seat electric plane, has already been in use by flight schools for training. It's a great example of how electric planes can be used right now in specific niches, coalesce spies, and it's helping pilots get used to flying with electric power. There are some pretty exciting benefits that come with electric planes, especially when you think about the future of air travel. For one, they're much better for the environment. Traditional airplanes are huge carbon emitters, but with electric planes that could change. Since they run on electricity, which can be produced from renewable sources like wind and solar, they have the potential to drastically reduce aviation's carbon footprint. Another big plus is cost. Electric motors have fewer parts than jet engines, which means they need less maintenance and can run more efficiently. That could mean lower operating costs and in turn, cheaper flights. Plus, the cost of electricity is a lot lower than jet fuel, so it could make flying more affordable for everyone. Electric planes are also quieter, which is a big deal, especially as we start to look at urban air mobility. Things like electric air taxis. Imagine flying over a city without the noise of a jet engine. That would make city skies a lot more pleasant, don't you think? The future of electric planes looks pretty bright. We're still in the early stages, but as battery technology improves and electric motors get even better, we'll start to see longer range flights and more options for travelers. Electric planes are no longer just a futuristic idea, they're becoming a reality. As the technology continues to evolve, we'll see them playing a bigger role in the aviation industry, making air travel more sustainable, quieter, and cheaper. The skies are getting cleaner, and the future of aviation looks brighter than ever. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more on the future of technology and transportation.